sports, no? And that means there will be a legitimate gold medal at stake. And kita niyo naman yung nangyaring pagkapanalo ni Calayulo ng gold medal, yung incentive is pouring hanggang ngayon, no, nag-pour. I'll start with Raymar. Raymar, next year will be SEA Games, and then 2 more years is Asian Games, and then the Olympics. First time mong nag-champion, first time mong, I mean, hindi naman siguro yung first time mo na nag-compete sa squash, no? But yung years na yon from 2024 to 2028, ano yung plano mo?
Po, target po is magpataas pa ng points. So, start po yun sa mga qualifier po para sa Latino. So, yung po may goal ko, pataas po yung world ranking. So, let's see po.
May pamilya ka na ba? May...
Yes po. Meron po rin ako.
Tuturuan mo din ng squash?
Sabi po, pwede.
Si Christopher, Chris, ikaw, junior, marami ka pang tournament na sasalihan. Ikaw ba, ano yung ina-ambition mo using the sport of squash?
Ano lang po, magtuloy lang din po yung pagtaas din po ng points. Tulad po ng sabi po ni Kuya.
Si Gigi Maika, yan, ang dami mo ng achievement, no? Katatapos mo lang manalo yata sa Calvita ng silver, no? Tapos tinalo ka lang ng World 150, no? Right now ba na nasa-settle down ka na, or mas gusto mo pang ikaw yung unang maging babaeng gold medalist sa squash?
Siyempre po, goal ko or target ko, siyempre ako pa din po yung mag-goal. Especially hindi pa po ako may mga madami pa po akong hindi na-achieve, like goal sa SEA Games, sa individual ko, sa women. So, ayun po. And katulad nga po ng sabi ko, ang highest world rank ko is 77 before pandemic po. So, yung 77 na yun, hindi pa po yun yung target actually. Pero yun nga po, nangyari po, pandemic happened. So, ngayon po, bali after po nung pandemic na nangyari, wala din po kami singing sa Vietnam. So, parang, ayun, medyo konti lang po yung tournaments na salihan namin. And now, this year po, naglalaro po ulit ako. Nag-register po ulit ako for PSA. And naglalaro po ulit ako ng PSA tour ng tuloy-tuloy. So far, maganda po yung takbo ng tournament ko. And hoping po na sana po magtuloy-tuloy. Magtuloy-tuloy po.
Hanggang 2028.
Yes. Yes po. And for now, ang focus ko po is yung SEA Games next year. Parang I wanted to do it slowly. Parang it's too early po kasi na magsalita about sa Olympics and everything since yung qualification po na is hindi po finalize. So for now, yung nga po, yung target ko is makabalik po ulit ako ng top 100 and makapaglaro po ng SEA Games next year. And hopefully po, syempre yun po yung goal namin. Sino po hindi gusto maglaro ng Olympics.
Okay.
So, ayun po. Thank you po.
Coach Wee, is the 2 tournaments only for singles, no more doubles on team?
The 2 tournaments will just be singles because on the professional squash tour, it's only singles available. Doubles is only played in multinational games. So SEA Games, SEA Cup, Asian Games is debatable. LA 2028 is only singles. There's no double, there's no team event. So LA 28 is only a singles men and women.
Thank you, Coach. Sir Bob, last question ko. Ina-aspire natin na makakuha tayo ng gold next SEA Games, no? And then, syempre, alam niyo, yung plano is 4 years, no, going to Olympics. Right now ba, squash is getting the full support of the Philippine Sports Commission as well as the Philippine Olympic Committee?
Yeah, well, squash have always been getting the full support of the Philippine Sports Commission, even before Chairman Bachman. So it started off with Richie Garcia, together with Johnny Gomez, was our commissioner back then. Full support, yeah. And we grew from there, based on our achievements, based on our performance. Our budget increased every year. After that was Chairman Ramirez, and yeah, and he gave us the squash center, which is down at Gate 8, and along the Adriatico, which is a beautiful location. And now Chairman Bachman, of course, support is there because we have the track record. We've proven ourselves, and the athletes have been working so hard, winning competitions as well, both here and abroad. And now we have our head coach, Coach Weaver, finally, and hopefully she stay with us throughout. And yeah, basically that's the plan. So we had to first get our home in order, which is now the squash center. We have another center going up in Ormoc. It's about two single courts and one doubles court. Yesterday, Congressman Gomez showed us some pictures of the center. It's now complete. The flooring is already there. Squash courts will be installed in December, and it will open January. So we would assign a coach there to live there and train the kids, the kids from Ormoc. And hopefully we get some NTP, National Training Pool athletes there. I'm sure we will, because we have the congressman and the mayor that's very dedicated to sports. Yeah, that's basically that's it.
Thank you.
Good morning po. Just two questions.